F-Series F500 Freezer Proofer Cabinet, Automatic Freezer Proofer Program. If your sveba-dahlen F500 cabinet is of a freezer proofer model, you can use the Automatic Freezer Proofer Program. The preset Freezer Proofer program is suitable for most products, but temperature, humidity, and time settings can be adjusted for optimal results. The program can preserve dough for up to 7 days and then automatically initiate the proofing process. Let's take a closer look at how the Automatic Freezer Proofer program works. Rapid cooling phase quickly cools the dough to stop the fermentation process. In the automatic program, the dough is cooled to -18 degrees Celsius with fans operating at maximum speed. Preservation phase maintains the dough at a controlled temperature. This phase doesn't display a set duration, since it automatically calculates the time needed to match the program's end time. Thawing phase gently raises the temperature of the frozen dough without shocking it. This helps prevent condensation and crust formation, which could negatively affect the texture and proofing quality. Fermentation phases. There are 2 stages of fermentation, designed to gradually raise the dough's temperature. In both phases, the temperature increases 75% of the time, then levels off for the remaining 25%. This ensures the dough's core reaches the desired temperature evenly, resulting in consistent and optimized proofing. Safety phase begins automatically 15 minutes after the second fermentation phase if the alarm isn't acknowledged and the dough isn't removed from the cabinet. This phase lowers the temperature to 15 degrees Celsius and maintains 80% humidity to prevent overproofing and preserve the dough.